Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Welcome to the world of small spaces with big potential. If your backyard feels more like a corridor than an oasis, don't worry, you're not alone. Narrow backyards are one of the most common challenges for modern homeowners, but they're also full of design opportunities. Whether you dream of a serene retreat, a stylish entertaining zone, or a lush garden paradise, today's video is packed with genius design ideas that'll make your slim outdoor space feel like a spacious sanctuary. Grab a cup of something cozy, hit play, and let's dive into 5 amazing narrow backyard ideas that don't just save space, they transform it. When space is limited, structure is your secret weapon. Don't treat your narrow backyard as one long hallway. Instead, divide it into distinct zones. Think of it as creating outdoor rooms. You could have a cozy lounging nook at one end with a love seat and side table, a small dining area in the center with a bistro set, and a vertical garden or water feature at the far end to draw the eye and add tranquility. Zoning makes the space feel intentional and curated, not cramped or chaotic. Use outdoor rugs, planters, low fencing, or even a change in pavers to subtly separate areas. This technique gives your yard rhythm and flow while maximizing every square inch. If your backyard doesn't have width, then let's look up. Vertical gardening is one of the most striking and functional ways to add greenery without stealing floor space. Think climbing vines on a trellis, hanging herb gardens on a fence, or even a full green wall for that dramatic, jungle chic vibe. Vertical features not only make your backyard lush and inviting, but they also create the illusion of height and depth. Bonus points. These walls can also double as privacy screens, perfect for tight urban spaces or townhouses where neighbors are just a few feet away. Add shelves to display small pots, grow strawberries in hanging planters, or build a DIY ladder garden. It's practical, stylish, and endlessly customizable. Are you loving these space-saving backyard ideas so far? If you haven't already, take a quick second to subscribe to the channel. We're bringing you weekly inspiration for stylish, smart living. Don't forget to like this video if it sparks some ideas for your own backyard, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you plan to transform your space, or if you have any clever ideas of your own to share. Now, let's keep the inspiration going. Bulky outdoor furniture is the #1 culprit that makes narrow yards feel even tighter. Instead, look for slim profile pieces that fit the space without overwhelming it. Benches with hidden storage, armless chairs, foldable tables, or even a built-in seating nook along the fence can save space while boosting style. And remember, scale matters. Choose furniture that's visually light. Think metal or rattan frames, glass tabletops, and raised legs that let you see through or under the piece. It tricks the eye into thinking the space is bigger than it is. Don't be afraid to mix comfort with clever design. Imagine a sleek bench built into a raised garden bed or a wall-mounted bar table that folds down when not in use. One of the best tricks for making a narrow backyard feel longer and more inviting is to add a purposeful path. A winding stone walkway or offset stepping stones create visual interest while guiding the eye down the length of the space. But it's not just about aesthetics. Paths also divide the yard, giving you natural stops for different zones, like seating areas or planting beds. If your yard is especially slim, consider a diagonal path to create a sense of width, or lay pavers asymmetrically to break up the linear feel. Edge the pathway with soft lighting, low plants, or pebbles for texture. You'll be surprised how a simple path can turn a tight space into a magical journey. Last but definitely not least, lighting. Good outdoor lighting does more than help you see at night. It extends the usability of your backyard and makes it feel cozy and welcoming even after sunset. In a narrow space, go for wall-mounted sconces, string lights, solar path lights, or recessed deck lighting to avoid cluttering the ground. Uplighting on plants and fencing also adds depth and drama. Warm-toned lighting can make a small space feel intimate and luxurious, perfect for evening gatherings, late-night reading, or simply sipping a glass of wine under the stars. Want to take it a step further? Add a small outdoor mirror opposite your lighting to reflect the glow and make your backyard appear twice as wide. It's an old interior design trick that works wonders outside too. Who says you need acres of land to have an incredible outdoor space? With a little creativity and smart design, your narrow backyard can become a personal retreat that feels luxurious, functional, and full of charm. Whether you're adding vertical gardens, creating zones, or lighting it up with style, the possibilities are endless, even in the slimmest of spaces. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on more creative home and garden ideas. Until next time, keep dreaming, designing, and making the most of every square foot, because small spaces deserve big style too.